Holistic living is a transformative approach that integrates the health of the mind, body, and spirit to promote overall wellness. It's gaining popularity as individuals seek more balanced and interconnected ways of living. This lifestyle emphasizes natural and preventive measures to maintain health, rather than merely reacting to illness. Holistic health's core is the belief that each aspect of a person's life influences their overall health, and achieving balance in all areas is crucial. By understanding and practicing holistic living, people enjoy a more fulfilled and healthy life, often seeing improvements in emotional stability, physical health, and mental clarity. To embark on a holistic journey, the initial step is to self-assess your current state of health across physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual dimensions. This involves evaluating lifestyle habits, emotional balance, mental health, and spiritual fulfillment. Recognizing areas needing improvement is critical. It could range from better physical fitness to enhanced emotional resilience or deeper spiritual connection. These assessments can be guided by self-reflection, professional health evaluations, or using specific wellness tools and questionnaires. Understanding these personal needs forms the foundation for crafting an effective and personalized holistic plan that addresses all aspects of your well-being. Designing a personal holistic plan is a creative process that aligns with your unique health requirements and life goals. First, integrate practices such as meditation, yoga, and dietary improvements which nurture all facets of your being: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Emphasize regularity and commitment to these practices to foster deep, lasting changes. Tailor your plan by setting realistic goals, choosing activities you enjoy, and adjusting as needed based on responsiveness to different techniques. This personalized approach not only promotes overall well-being but also encourages a deeper connection with oneself and the surrounding world, enhancing life quality on multiple levels. Integrating holistic practices into daily life begins by establishing routines that resonate with your personal wellness aims. Start by integrating small activities, like morning meditation or evening yoga, to solidify habits without overwhelming change. Consistency is crucial. Pick times and settings that encourage regular practice. To enhance motivation, track your progress and celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Surround yourself with a support system of like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you. Lastly, adapt your routines as your needs and circumstances change over time, ensuring that your holistic practices evolve with you and continue to provide maximal benefit. Maintaining a holistic lifestyle long-term requires a commitment to continuous growth and adaptability. As life evolves, so too should your holistic practices. This means regularly assessing and adjusting your routines to fit new circumstances and goals. Embrace education as a tool for empowerment, engage in workshops, read books, and explore new disciplines that deepen your understanding and enhance your practices. Cultivate a mindset that views setbacks as opportunities for growth. Building a community of like-minded individuals can provide both motivation and support as you journey through the ever-changing landscape of personal and holistic development.